God, it's gonna kill me. Naomie, ntukajye ukunda kwikura mu maso cyane wica udusebe niwo hava imo.
Hey, sometimes they even say bacteria like and put it on your face like it's real.
Is Josine Robin's girl? Tuzayimenya we mwami Yesu natubwira. Can you shout out me now? Jordan King. Could you be more active on YouTube, please?
She'll be back, but she's been stressed because she's planning a whole wedding, her whole life.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna come back to the YouTube. I think I'm gonna come back to YouTube. Maybe they have like few content that I have to make for different hotels, and then I'm gonna give you guys content. Hey guys, today I said yes to my dress.
Ngo nihe Katya zo usubiza abantu ngo bashaka kumya gushiraho wig ya dukwa mama stuff.
People who force me to answer people. Can you change
Nakupenda from Tanzania.
Oh, let's read the comments.
What is
Why
it?
Why are you hitting the gym?
To release stress.
I'm hitting the gym because I want to feel healthy.
Healthier, more gain like, you know, strength.
Exactly.
And she's like, yeah, gaining weight in a healthy way, you know.
I have some people to block here. Piss me off.
Hey. Naomie, where's Michael, please? Guys,
tell them where you left him.
he was at Kivu North today. If you want to know his schedule, it was working. Accept our friend request. So guys, I'm such a private girl. I don't know how to like have a lot of people.
Josine, post the real content of your family. Akwe to accept the friend request.
But guys, follow me on TikTok. I'm more free there. Like I feel like it's okay. It's a different vibe from Instagram. Love you.
Can I get to my question? Naomie, do you remember me? I'm that girl who sent you a message and told you who are you voting for president? Who else? Kila modoka inahindura amabara ngo bimenye neza. Amabara nzahindura for Paul Kagame. All the way. Umva modoka kanye mubona kumwe nzagahindura amabara imbere harya hari umutuku blue n'umweru. Umutuku blue n'umweru.
Period.
And that's it. Please, Uzam invitation, would love to be there. Guys, I would really.
If Naomie could, she would have like.
I'm a billionaire. I would really invite everyone. Why the cat is about to I'll make sure at least go live on my YouTube for people who are not there. Yes, way.
I don't know how. Imeza abantu muri serie nyine. Ni 800,000. Ubishaka ayandike. Muri serie ariko.
Mukajya zabishiza ku muryango. Ngo ya murata muri injira VIP ni second. So VIP zabari he.
Ni 800,000 imeza abantu 8.
Akajya nawe.
Chetsu tabishaka. Namusaka zabari imbere nagasaba umenye ko byaciki inyuma hari.
You guys exaggerate sha. Umva kati ngo zabishyuza. Kati kigaragara nuko zabishyuza.
You being private and being here live, yeah, because it's my friend's life.
Abavuga ngo muravuze ngo idea ya kati niyo kabise kwishyuza.
Kabisa.
Kuko rike abantu barashaka muri mariage. Uzabicaza hehe se?
Harahari. Nzabicaza hejuru. Ani mumwe ni 50,000.
Yeah, Kacha 50,000.
None bien
Kacha 50,000. Kujya bavuga ngo namazishora mukubwe. Namuzishora kubukwe bwanjye. Please.
Namaze abicaye imbere.
Kacha nzaguruka nzavuga MC.
Sawa? Yewe unyandikira useri.
Oya Kacha ntabwo wakishyuza abantu.
Kacha zavuganye n'ababams.
No, I'm not gonna tell you guys the type of wedding dress that I picked. It's gonna be a surprise.
Duza. Hey, Kay. Asukera woyi.
Kati muravuze ngo katugirinda.
Va.
Yes, we. So I'm gonna do YouTube channels. Shout out again. Maybe. When are you getting more content with you and your man? I love your videos. Take your time though. I know. Thank you, honey. But because Michael is busy working, I mean, we're always together. Content when he's not tired.
It's Queen Josine, guys. Queen.Josine.
On your Twitter, TikTok.
TikTok. Et oui, c'est bien quoi.
I'm been off to together.
Bah ici.
Un petit peu.
Oh non, j'aime pas comme ça là.
Look. I just not read there.
Naomie.
No. And it's a fake account.
Attends, c'est sa femme de vrai, Josine.
Girl, you think Michael's gonna come to my wedding with touching his dreads? Nazimusukira kumusubuka. Nazimukora kumusubuka.
I love you, Naomie.
Katwakira abantu ariko. Okay, tugeze ku bantu bo kwakira, katwakire.
You join live.
You don't want to do it?
You can. It's your life, girl.
No, maybe, I don't know. When are you muza n'umugabo wawe mu Rwanda? Which great things you made this year with your story?
No, so are you for real right now? Why you sharanos?
Brenda, come say. Brenda, get the Instagram you're joining. You don't have to put your face in.
Because
people miss you. Guys, Mari's wedding is at your place. Yes, I'm gonna wear her best dress too. Bavuze ngo kuki ngo mukobwa ndakubwira. Amakestion yanyu yashize abashusho muyohereza. Ako nimwohereza muri comment mwida ndi ku ruhande.
Where's Kelly? Kelly is busy.
We'll find a way to put a filter actually.
How old is Kayla?
Kayla is 25. In 2024 I will be. Why is it not working? I'll be what? Wapi na hint nabaha your dress yanjye muzayibona kuri Ramos. Even my sisters don't know. Pia said, me personally, I want to come to your wedding. You will see me there, promise. My juju guy says Nzaza, and I believe him. Kacha Umba. Me personally, I want to come to your wedding. You will see me there, I promise. My juju guy says Nzaza, and I believe him.
Why is this a queer? Go with yourself. If you're second to me, when you're in this.
It's because my friend goes to choose a shahe.
Wow.
Mwishura. Mera. I look like a mad person. Turns out how good.
Kelly, you did the videos.
C'est quoi? Waya barabeshya ngo muzishyura. Wenda uzabishyuza. Umugeni yavuze ngo nabishyuza akabishyuza. So nibyo kwishyura. When are you getting more content? chérie bye ndabakunda cyane Imana ibarinde Imana ibarinde ibyo mwifuza Imana ihaze imitima yanyu ibintu byose mushaka byose mubigereho mujye kwandikira amen muri message bisous